Hi, for my Advocates for Change, I decided to do a kid-friendly picture book presentation speaking directly to children. So I'll go ahead and start my presentation. Hi friends, today we're going to learn about a real-life superhero, someone who uses kindness, courage, and learning to make the world a better place. Their name is Sanj Basha. Say it with me, Sanj Basha. Look at their cool hat. They're a cartoon. Who is Sanj Basha? Sanj Basha was born in Pakistan. They live in Los Angeles, California. Sanj Basha, today, they work all around the world helping people feel safe and included. They are Muslim, queer, and very proud of who they are. That means they understand what it feels like when people don't always understand you or treat you fairly. And because of that, they decided to help others. What problem did Sanj want to fix? Sanj saw something happening in the world that wasn't fair. Some kids and grown-ups were being treated badly because of who they love, what they believe, or how they identify. That made Sanj say, everyone deserves kindness, everyone deserves safety, everyone belongs. Don't you guys agree? Why did Sanj care about this? Sanj was motivated because they had their own hard experiences. Sometimes people said unkind things about being queer. Sometimes people misunderstood what it means to be Muslim. Instead of getting angry, Sanj became a helper. They decided to teach people how to love each other better. Isn't that beautiful? What Sanj did to make change. Sanj became a teacher, but not the classroom kind, but the kind who teaches the whole world. They give speeches, create workshops, write, make videos, and help schools and communities learn how to be kind to all people. They talk about how to include LGBTQ plus for kids, how to respect Muslim families and other cultures, how to understand our feelings, how to support friends who feel scared or different, and how to be brave and kind at the same time. This is a video based on Sanj's YouTube talk, Islamophobia, Why Visibility Matters. This message is when people see the real you, they learn to understand and respect you. Sanj says visibility helps us share our stories so we can stop hurtful misunderstandings. Because of Sanj, these are Sanj's biggest contributions and Sanj's impact. Many people feel safer being themselves. Kids learn how to treat others with respect. Teachers learn how to make classrooms welcoming. Communities learn how to protect each other. Sanj shows us that one voice can make a huge difference. How can you be like Sanj Basha? You don't have to be a grown-up to make change. Kids can be helpers too. You can be kind to someone who feels left out. So if someone is sitting alone, maybe you would join that friend. Stand up for a friend. Maybe somebody is making fun of somebody, of what they're wearing or how they look. You want to stand up for that friend. Learn about people who are different from you. Everybody in this room is different from each other. We have different cultures, different religions, different background, and it's important that we learn from each other. Ask questions instead of judging. Instead of thinking something's weird or strange to you, you should ask why they do that. Why do you celebrate this? Or why is this your tradition? Why does your family do that and not this? It's always important to ask questions without judging and saying, oh, that's weird. How about, why do you do that? And then we could get answers to that. Say, hey, that wasn't nice when someone is being mean. That's very important. We know some people can be mean, so it is always nice to stand up and say so that that's not being nice and that's being unkind. Little actions equal big difference. That's really important to remember. Why Sanj inspires us. You can be more than one thing. Your identity is your strength. Your story deserves to be heard. You can change the world by being yourself. When we choose empathy, we choose love, and love creates change. And that's what Sanj Basha says. This is our final slide. It has a lot of colors, a lot of meaning. So I'm going to explain a little bit. Now, friends, look at this colorful picture. It teaches us about kindness, fairness, and helping everyone belong. The rainbow flag shows love for all people, every color, every identity, every story. It says you are safe here. So that flag is important. What is an ally? An ally. See, those words about allyship, an ally is someone who is a really good friend to people who need extra support. It means being kind, standing up for others, listening, helping everyone feel included. Bias, fairness, ladder, the colored steps. These steps show how we grow kinder and fairer. We start by listening, then learning, then helping, and then making the world safer for everyone. The 3 circles, power and inclusion. So you see those 3 circles? These circles show us that kindness happens in 3 places. Inside ourselves, in our schools and families, in our whole community. When all 3 work together, we make the world a happier place. So that's what those circles are showing us. The queer and trans empowerment, this means helping people be proud of who they are. Some kids may be different, and that's wonderful. We help them feel brave, safe, and strong. That is very important. And our final message is, so remember, everyone belongs, everyone deserves kindness, and you have the power to make someone feel loved and safe, just like Sanj Basha. Yay! And then these are just some videos I included, my references. And thank you for learning about Sanj Basha with me today. Remember, the world becomes a better place every time you choose empathy and kindness. Let's go spread some love.